god. Everybody! 4th of July fireworks!
They're starting.
People!
9:01. Is anyone going to get out faster?
There's people! Wait. 4th of July fireworks! People! I hear something. It's tingling. Fireworks.
We're in the old car.
Okay.
We're in the car, guys. We're gonna go see the fireworks for 4th of July. We got the whole squad, guys. And the homework house is different squad. Hey, Harper, I got this for you.
Thank you.
Masi ciao.
Stop yelling. Not yelling out loud.
Cannot show the license
The door.
You cannot leave it open.
We're gonna go and watch the fireworks, and we're gonna have to settle really fast.
People that saw us watching this video, like
And subscribe if you love your family. I'm just kidding. I'm not one of those YouTubers.
but still do it.
Stop. Shut up.
Homer drops his dough. No. Going fishing on 4th of July.
I know. And we're in this old car right now.
Yeah.
Like 1929, I guess. And we got the whole squad in here. That's the whole squad.
Is that a person?
No, that's nothing.
Yar. I'm not sure if advertisements should be in front of your house.
I don't know either.
Joy doesn't like me spinning in all that swimsuit. You like me swimming like this.
That's what we're gonna turn on.
Yeah,
Sorry, we cannot turn on the other song.
But I don't want to watch. I don't want to watch. It's not the age matter, it's a song matter. Grandma in Russia doesn't have spots because she's not a
But you did hear it.
Hi!
Bro, they just noticed us in the car.
Bye. Happy 4th of July.
You gotta do the royal wave of princess.
This?
No, this. Like you're holding a cup.
Look,
Look, there's a plane. Military. Wait, don't do that. Do that. I was talking about Diddy. But see that stick somewhere from the little popsicle I ate during the parade?
Yeah, let's see if it's still there.
Move that car! That's what I was talking about.
2, 1, edit.
Oh, we're coming. Buddy, I want to get there first.
Be tied.
It's still there.
It's still there.
Did you say me tied?
Oh my god, a pet.
Guys, get settled for the parade.
Yeah, everybody, go over here or something.
No, we're gonna walk on the rocks.
Okay. How about your snacks? They're gonna melt.
Yeah, guys, we're gonna get our cookies.
Cookies. They're not just cookies.
Yeah, I know. We have to take the biggies. If
Popsicle stick is still there since the parade.
There you go, Harper.
What they tell. Hands up.
Is anybody gonna move that car? That one.
Wait a second, I'm almost done.
I wish we could go on the roof.
Finally put it on.
Okay, good. It looks awesome.
Wait a second. Turn my head the right way. Okay.
Happy 4th of July.
Look, guys. So this is how I'm gonna record now. Sorry, you could only see my head, not the fireworks. Everybody, get your candies.
We're gonna.
My hands. to play my song. I could only sing it. DJ Suka said no, we can't turn it on because she already heard it. She already heard it.
I was going, no.
Hand up, you play my song, and I'm gonna be okay. Yeah.
Now it's stuck in my head. I don't like hearing it because every time on the 4th of July, it gets stuck in my head.
Party in the USA.
Laying on
Yeah.
LAX in my dream and my fart again. That's the wrong lyrics. I'm such a fan of Miley Cyrus, and that's not.
Who's Miley Cyrus?
I think that's the person who's singing that song.
Hop in the plane in the LES, dream and fart again. Because I farted in here, now everybody's suffering because I kind of did. So I'll put my fart in sky. I know, you know it's gonna be okay. Guys, we're talking.
We have a cake.
Da, 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 da,
I think it's starting.
They're gonna eat all the cake.
I know. That's why I'm not supposed to be there.
That's why they're not supposed to be there. You're right. Every time you see me, you're gonna see this.
I love you when you call me señorita. I wish I could pretend I didn't meet you.
Every touch I
Achoo.
Oh, I should be running. Oh, I keep me coming. Hey, Rula. You keep me coming like this. Da 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 Rula. It's true, la la la.
Such a sharing food
La
with.
la la. Oh, I love it when I scrape my elbow. It very, very hurts, very bad. I'm so sorry, everybody. Sorry, but I scraped my elbow, señorita. I wish you could pretend I didn't scrape my elbow, but every touch I
Share with the group, you're sharing with dude, or are you doing? Oh, my cheeky chunga.
What's that?
I don't know.
What is?
What is what? I don't know. It's a face. That's what it is.
I know it's gonna be okay. My fireworks starting yet? Yeah. It's a part. What's this?
I don't know. It's Miley Cyrus's treat.
It's Smiley Cyrus, Dad! Smiley Cyrus!
It's Molly Cyrus.
So I'll put my hands. Motorcycle Jerry!
Wait, that is.
Hi, Jerry!
Oh, Mickey Mouse.
It's so satisfying with the rocks. Okay. Let's check Jerry. Have your candy. It's bringing out candy time. Wait, Artie, this is so bad. It's blurry.
Tell mommy to wipe it.
Mom, can you wipe the camera? Hey, turn it down.
You're shaking your hand and bloody.
Guys, get y'all's groups with food. Okay.
17.
Gucci.
Look, I took.
Okay, Rumi. Okay, look. That's their group. Diddy is with the little kids.
Yeah. I eat all the Tootsie Rolls.
What?
Okay, where are the 4th of July fireworks?
That's your group.
What's so funny? Look.
The fireworks are not starting yet. We got her. So
Yeah. I'm in here.
fireworks only setting off somewhere else. But don't worry, it's not going to start for us yet. Baby, can you please sit next to me?
Let's zoom it until it's here. Oh, baby, P and it was in slow motion. I'm legit. I'm legit.
Wait, guys, is this supposed to start already?
No, it never starts. I'm legit. Done. B.
Okay,
I might will. Okay, here's our candy. It's Sour Patches and Tootsie Rolls.
okay, guys. Here's the Cloud Guys food.
And they have that, and they have that. They're trying it. I'm like, yeah.
They have Skittles.
They have Skittles. And
The biggies probably have the wait.
Peter Thiel, don't send the girls to their house.
They have the apple one. The biggies have these.
Yeah, the biggies have these two, and Lavender has that. They both have lollipops.
Who has a Jolly Rancher?
Anybody can have a Jolly Rancher.
They have the Jolly Rancher, the Saja Boys, and they have this red candy. And they
Yeah,
have
they
this
have-
purple bubble gum, I remember. And they have this. Okay. I'm the type of girl you want to chew up on my bubble gum. Trouble. Wait, make sure you record the sky. Because what if it's happening?
They have that. They have a lot of bubble gum. And Sun Chenille's have the melted. Look, it's melted. Wait, it's kind of not melted, but it's
Not
still
anymore.
melted. It's still kind of melted.
Okay, guys, everyone's food has been given to them. You guys can start eating whenever the parade
Fireworks
happens.
Fireworks, whatever it is. It's like, yeah. It's like, yeah. We don't know where the real Oiati is, so we just use that one.
Yeah.
3, 2, 1. Is the music starting? They're playing this song. No, it's gonna be okay.
No, don't.
It's like, yeah.
Wait, can I try one? No, you're not supposed to eat them yet.
Stop playing this song.
Save
Now
one.
It's gonna be okay.
Save your tears for
Like,
another day. Wait, let me go
Like,
find
yeah.
Oiati on this disc, guys.
Okay.
Because this disc has multiple things in it, like multiple songs. It's a party mix. So let me find Oiati.
Okay.
This one's actually supposed to be all Oiatis, so I'm gonna find a good one. Put it in the disc.
It also has little screens on the very rare Oiati.
This Oiati or this one?
No, it's blurry again.
Dad, where's the fireworks?
Everything's died.
They're there.
Everything's died.
We can't see. Dad,
Got these
the
kind of.
fireworks noises is the citizens going first.
We got these
We're residents.
things that are banana and chocolate. All of the people got these.
Big scary.
I don't really like the banana.
I love it.
Like I can eat around it.
Maybe because you never tried a banana before.
Huh?
Maybe because you never tried a banana before.
I mean, I'm kind of used to it.
Hey, Harper,
What?
can I have one of the Sour Patch Kids?
Not right now.
I know, not right now.
Don't go off stealing other people's candies.
I'm not. Who said that?
You.
I'm just kidding, guys.
I won't eat. We just listen to it.
Are you okay? Are you okay?
Are you okay? Are
He's
you
dead.
okay? Are you okay? Are you okay? Are you okay?
Granny is dead.
I have a problem. It's blurry again.
Oh, go tell mommy.
Why does it keep? Wait, it's kind of not, but it's kind of is. Like, look.
Hey, do you know how to fix it? Did Mom show you how to fix it?
No. It made it worse. So I put my hands up, playing the song. Okay. So you guys should actually eat your candy right now because I don't think it's ever gonna start. Really. But I think it's just going to die with no fireworks.
We had that one. This one's gonna be.
How many citizens are they?
Million.
No, or like Tesla.
Tesla, no.
Fried chicken. Sorry, there's a problem. When you put something right next to it, it's bad.
Oh.
So you can really do this. I'm sorry.
They wanted this.
People's Auto, family oriented, right here. Commercial.
Ugh, it's so good not being able to eat anything right now. Hey, do you mind giving me one Sour Patch Kids? No one have to ask for another one.
Sometimes
No.
do your fireworks.
Eat yours.
I don't have one. Can I have one? Can I have one? Can I have one?
No.
Big boom. In the room. The ants are gonna eat y'all's candy. Throw this away. Are you done?
Yeah.
Gosh, go see. This is Aaliyah's, and she's done. She's doing ants.
Ah!
Bye bye, ants. Go away. You cannot eat our food.
No. But the food's right here.
They charge you?
Ready, ants? Okay. So guys, when is the lights, the parade, whatever,
I don't know.
parade, whatever?
Seems like they don't have it today.
They should. It's 4th of July, not 5th of July, not 8th of July. Like,
Sorry, people. We're only doing this so far. We cannot do this. So.
there's an ant crawling my butt. Guys, don't let the ant inside y'all's tootsie.
No, waste your guys.
Guys, the fire alarm went off. The fire alarm went off.
They squatted on that one and built it up.
The fire alarm went off. The fire
alarm went off. Hey, fire alarm went off.
I swear, if I see that one, people that go blow up the whole place.
Wait, I fixed it.
The blurriness?
Yeah.
Okay.
Your imagination got me going back. And the simulation got me as back now.
You guys gotta move out of the way.
Okay. It finally! For the last time you see the light. It's time for the lights are lifting. Oh, yeah.
You guys can eat now. Guys, how do you open this? You just have to open it. You want the good stuff, twin. Another one? Nice! Happy 4th
Of July.
Guys, look behind y'all.
Yay, fireworks!
Why is it bigger than the one that... Harper, dance me. It's good. Huh? It's good. Why did you turn on Lee at me? Because it's a singing cat. Oh, POV.
This is how
POV.
most like Tootsie Rolls.
POV Cooper's fart. What? My fart's up sideways? POV Cooper's fart. DB Cooper's other fart? I want to go to West Point. No, it ain't.
Oh my god, let's go in the zoo.
Oh, what a beautiful sight. Okay, let me try this, guys. You try? No, I'll try. I knew it was gonna taste like it.
Wait a second, I'm gonna open my Sour Patch.
You record. While I open my Sour Patch.
Honey, can you open? I don't know how.
Yeah, sure. Do you mind if I have one? So that
Yeah.
you can pay me with just one?
Sure. But we could share.
Yeah. How about I just have one and get the rest?
Sure. No,
Hey, look how big that was.
Oh. Hey. Looking so insane. Hey.
We're doing that again.
Sounds too good.
I'm gonna eat an ant. Oh, yeah, record.
Today was a very unique 4th of July.
Unique.
This is not a Sour Patch.
It's a different kind.
It tastes good.
POV Harper's art.
Thank you.
You're welcome. POV Cooper's fart versus Harper's art. Wow. When I was small, I was scared of this shit because it's never happened in Russia ever. I never saw flights from the sky. I thought there was, imagine if there was a plane up there and then the plane got killed because someone was hiding fireworks.
Yeah. If Art comes here, then he's gonna be so bad.
Art missed the fireworks though.
Happy on 4 legs.
What? Cooper, happy on 4 legs. Happy Homer 4th of July.
Homer drops his donut.
Y'all guys did something great.
Donut.
No, Janelle has a video.
Homer spills a soda. Don't do. Homer hits the doorway. Homer ruins his own day.
Can I put the phone on the stand?
No, I don't want to.
Okay.
Fine.
Straight. Dad, what? Hey, yo!
Sorry, that was a little ayo, but at least you didn't see that.
Hey, trash, put it in here. I love you.
Where are the fireworks? Oh, there they are.
Again.
Nadia, do you want me to have this Tootsie Roll?
I'll have one of them. Wait.
This is one.
Record.
Oh. Record. I'm definitely not mad.
Guys, this is our new anthem. F Donald Trump. Oh! Donald Trump is Donald Lump. Dad, you're in the way.
You might want to say
Big.
something over there?
Maybe you might want to zoom out so I can see the big ones. Simon, this is your first time seeing fireworks.
Bruh. Anyway, back to the fireworks.
Turn the lights on.
You guys having fun?
Down there makes that much of a difference.
You guys having fun? If you want to know who's recording this, it's Harper.
He's so good at recording.
It's me. I definitely don't shake the camera all the time. Look at the sky. Oh my god, that one was a big one. Daddy, do you know how they make fireworks? They just add like dots in the sky and like with the firework thing, and then like and then they explode in the sky.
Can I have a
Nadia! Hey, what are the dude? Nadia, do you want to know how fireworks are made?
I already know.
No, like something else. They're made by like pumps in the sky with flying like balls, and then they explode in the sky. Where's it? Where's the fireworks? Oh, there they are.
There's some fireworks over here on the open.
That looks too good to be true. Oh my god! Can I have some candy?
Mom, my teeth feel weird.
It looks too cartoony.
I know.
After this, I'm gonna need a bath.
Oh, they made a heart.
Who? Oh, I see the heart in the middle. Oh my god!
Stop turning on Only Auntie before it gets stuck in my head.
It's already stuck in your head.
The minute I'm gonna pee, I'm gonna go pee.
Okay. Okay, so everybody, fireworks are nice. Not really, but like, yeah. Oh my god! Oh, hi, honey. That was a big firework. Mind you too. Super truck, you're in the way. How am I gonna watch the fireworks when these trucks are nearby?
Wait a minute.
Nice sound of fireworks.
Let's just enjoy the sound of this.
Oh! Look, it's fireworks.
Dad, did I lose a tooth? Then why do I feel like that? Why does it feel weird? My teeth
Mine does too, just stop.
feel so weird. Mom, does your teeth ever feel weird?
Yeah, that's why I brush them all the time.
No, like, look.
Dad, I'm sweating.
Brush them very well. When last time you brushed them? You don't even remember what happened.
How are you? Fireworks. Nadia, come. Oh, fireworks.
Is that the grand finale of everything?
I mean, real life, they look so beautiful. Oh my god.
Cooper's fart.
You could just start.
No, it's not my fart. Yes, it is.
Oh my god. Oh, John's donut. One's coming up. Oh my god. Fireworks.
Again. What? Come on. No, you turned it the wrong way.
What's happening? Look at the fireworks.
They used to do the big ring ones and the Saturn ones. They don't do them as like they used to 10 years ago. The big rings, they kind of gone downhill on the power of them. Everything, nothing just gets better. It needs to get better, you know. Technology of monitoring that gets better, that's it. That's it.
Look at the
We need to
fireworks.
see about renting that metal building down there.
Everybody.
That one. Put cars. That mechanic
Oh!
tire shop.
Oh!
Aftermarket
Hot guys
stuff.
sporting. Stop. We didn't for anything. We didn't do anything either.
And, everything.
Looks like meteor shower.
I mean, what if that happened to us?
What if
We
we
were
were
watching
ti-
the fireworks and we didn't even know.
What if we were tied on that?
I don't know.
How many fireworks are there wasted? Going in the tune. Yeah.
What the heck? Oh my god, it's Long Leg Cooper. That's what it should be called. But it's not, so I'm gonna do that in. Call it that, rename it that. Hello.
That was a big firework.
Again. Oh my god, guys. Why?
Are you guys okay?
Because it's only Auntie party.
Where's the fireworks? Wait, there they are.
If that song is stuck in my head, I'm blaming it on you guys.
Ow.
Somebody died. No, I didn't. Why are we so silent?
I don't know because I like the fireworks. That's
Hey,
why.
do you want some? No, I don't want it.
Bruh.
Because I said so. If I don't want something, I don't want something.
Okay, can you record now?
There it goes.
Guys, there's a finale.
Ah!
There's a finale. like that.
Oh my god!
Even the camera's not focusing on it.
Help, 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 help,
It has
help!
a spawn in the sky.
Of course everybody's screaming! Is everybody dead or something?
No, no. Get your candies out of here.
You didn't even eat half of them. Oh my god. Let's go sneak up on somebody else's fireworks. Boy.
You guys barely ate anything.
What do we candy for?
barely ate anything. Like, what?
Bye. Everybody say bye on your way.
Bye, 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 bye.
Ah, ants! Bye! Bye! Ah, bye! Ah, bye!
Bye, 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 bye,
Bye! Bye! I need to run. Bye! 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 Boy!
Bye. Bye.
Have a sleigh day.
Have a sleigh 4th of July.
Happy 4th of July. Oh my god, I'm so scared.
Somebody save some of these.
Last but not least, Nadia, get ready. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye.